I have learned many things in this course, and if I have to say three takeaways, that would be the first one is learn from other people through the replies and the responses. This is the only and the first class I have is we have to do our side, then other people respond to us, then we have to respond back to his response. And I think that is a pretty good interactive way for us to know about how people think about our opinion. And it is good that do without the Zoom, because if on a Zoom or real person, that we are not able to have those record become written, that we can really think about it and type it out, and also we can go back to it if I really need to learn from them. So I think that is like a really good way to do it with no Zoom. And the second thing is I think the quizzes actually work pretty well online. I'm not sure how is the quiz or exam will be like in person class, the normal semester, but I feel like right now with the online, we can do our own studies and we just time ourselves, and I think that actually is okay. And the last thing is I've learned is I really like the textbook, because Brother Springer requires to really cite from the textbook and respond other people with our textbook as well, and that way I can learn about what other people have read and actually those things that I missed, and I can put that into my knowledge and into my notes as well. So I feel like that is a really good way that I don't think that we can learn in person, so I feel it is good.